Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to do this simple static noise. I was doing this for my first game walkthrough, and there was a point where I was just looking for the walkthrough, and I thought it'd be funny to just kind of fun to put in a quick static intermission, or kind of like standby. First thing I did was create a graphic. So you go to graphics, and you go to new. You can do a rectangle, and it comes out gray. Then you just drag it all the way across. Doesn't matter if it goes over the border a little bit. Then you go to your project. You go to new adjustment layer. Click that. Drag it over this. Then you're going to go to your effects. You're going to go into wave warp. Then you're going to go to wave warp, effect controls, wave square, wave height you can do 30 or so, depending on, you can play around with these numbers. This, make it around 700. Direction, make it 0. Wave speed, you can make it like 0.5. Pinning, just do all edges. Phase, you can play with that a little bit later, and I just leave it like that. And next, we're going to go into noise effect, and add it on there. Amount of noise, just do around 75%. You can use color noise so that you can see a little specks of color as you go through. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to do the static sound effect. You can actually create this fairly easy on your own if you have FL Studio, but I'm sure there's other ways to create it using your DAW of choice, your digital audio workstation, or maybe some free software or plugins to create static noise. But I'm going to show you how to do it in FL Studio. Alright, so we're in FL Studio, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to load up 3x oscillator, and we're just going to click this die looking shape, and that's actually just a white noise. You can press a key on your keyboard, any key you want really, but I mean, and then we're just going to record, just going to put in a note, make it go to like 8 bars or so, whatever you want really. Put it into your playlist and go to export, wave. Default files are fine, and I'm just going to go static. Start rendering, and then we'll hop back in Premiere. So we're back in Premiere now, and let's just go get that noise that we just created. Let's go to import and import the static. You can double click in this import area to open that import window, by the way. Let me just lower that gain a little bit, so press G. I'm going to adjust the gain by -10 so it just doesn't blur at us. And then here's the static. And then you can just start putting text over it or whatever you're going to use this static for. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thumbs up and subscribe. Hopefully I'll be making more content. Thanks.